The Koorie Heritage Trust preserves, protects and promotes the unique Victorian Aboriginal culture. We're actually a cultural centre based at Federation Square, but we also have our collections with over 65,000 items that we basically protect on behalf of Aboriginal Victoria. The Koorie Heritage Trust operates as a social enterprise, and so within our shop, all of our product is Aboriginal Victorian. And our gallery is a fantastic opportunity to see what Aboriginal people are doing today, how they're expressing their culture today. The tours that we run really is a chance for any visitors to Melbourne to learn that we are not just the cliche of the outback and the bush, that so many of our people right around the country actually do live in our urban spaces, but even in those spaces continue to practice culture and to express culture. You can find that Aboriginal history and Aboriginal cultural sites along the river in the urban landscape. You don't need to leave Melbourne to have an Aboriginal experience.